Hi everyone, let's prepare strawberry compote or strawberry filling, we can say it. And here I have taken chopped strawberries. I have sprinkled granulated sugar to it, and detailed recipe is there in the caption. I have added sugar to it and I have left it for 1 to 2 hours. Now the strawberries are watery. They have been marinated nicely in sugar. Now in this corn flour, I have added this water only. If you want, you can add some extra water as well if you want your filling to be little runny. Here I am cooking this in a heavy bottom saucepan, and I will be cooking it till it gets soft and tender. Now I am going to add corn flour slurry to it. This corn flour slurry will make it little thicker, and we are to cook it till the jam or this filling get translucent, because the corn flour, if it's not cooked properly along with this filling, this filling will not come out translucent. Here I have added lemon juice to it, and now I have cooked it little more, and this filling is ready to go on your cakes or inside your cakes. You can use it the way you want.